Let's see. Is it working? SD card slow. What does that mean? Did I get the wrong SD card? Great. Hi friends, Amy Tangerine here in the studio. I am so excited to be back here for a few days at least, really just focusing on making more videos. I went to YouTube yesterday for a really fun event. Hey friends, it's that time again. This is exactly what happened. I filmed a little bit of vertical video intended for stories. I love this quote, by the way. If you're not doing some things that are crazy, then you're doing the wrong things. Random footage collected, maybe not enough for a whole video on its own, but I capture them with intention of wanting to not just keep them, but share them too. Every time I go there, I just feel invigorated, inspired. I have this moment where I think I can actually just focus all my energies on YouTube and become a full-time creator. That is not happening. However, this is my favorite platform right now. It has been my favorite platform for a while. I overthink things. I tend not to be able to get on any sort of content calendar schedule type of thing. I want to make weekly videos. I want to make daily videos sometimes. I go through these phases where I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I think that's the norm around here. I'm all over the place with creating something, with different projects. That is just how my life is. But the one thing I know is that I want to connect more with you. I want to create more and show you all the things that are happening, that I am working on, the fun projects, whatever they may be. I want you to feel like you're in the studio co-creating with me or alongside me, looking through my journals of all kinds, seeing this messy space and feeling like you're not alone. Something really struck me. A creator was talking. She's very successful, right? She's been on YouTube for a while. She pivoted her content. I'll link her below. She's amazing. Her name's Michelle. Something that I took to heart was the fact that her workflow is whatever she feels like making that day. Her upload schedule isn't so regular, but she tries as hard as she can to stay consistent. She doesn't have a whole content calendar mapped out for the next 3 months. She doesn't have an editor. She shoots and she edits herself, and it takes a long time, just like it takes me a long time. It was so reassuring and reaffirming that whatever we want to do, our goals in life, strategy or unstrategy, or the things that we want to accomplish, we can approach them in whatever way works for us. Part of it is understanding that the only way I'm going to make more YouTube videos is if I stop overthinking the process. If I stop overthinking the fact that I may not have makeup on, perfectly done nails, cleaned up studio. You all know, if you've been following this channel for a while, if you've been a Tangerine, I just operate this way. This is how I am for the most part. I'm not changing. I always have projects going on. Hi, buddy. There will always be distractions, like my cute little nephew coming over for his very first haircut. My cousin Cindy needed some help figuring out how to trim his bangs, so I finally came up with the idea of giving him some washi tape. We tried a lot of things before, but this is the one that finally worked, so he was able to get his first haircut in the studio, just a little bang trim, and then I was able to go back to work. I keep forgetting my mic. 1 second. I'm always encouraging you on using your supplies and using what you have as far as journaling goes. I am now taking my own advice as far as using what I have, doing what I can, when I can, with what I can, and hitting upload more often. Years ago, when I did Make It in May, a challenge where I think I published a video every single weekday in May, it was one of the best projects that I could have piled on myself because it put enough pressure for me to create in different ways and engage my brain in fulfilling ways that I didn't know that I needed. This is an opportunity for me to really expand my creative horizons and then show you all what is going on, whether I'm taking a trip or you're in the studio with me and it is a disaster. I have this extra table in here from my neighbor. Her mom was moving out of her house and she didn't have room for it. I don't know why I do this, but my mom said, oh, Jen is bringing her table over. What should we do with it? And it was outside for like a week. And it's too nice of a table to keep outside. So I said, just bring it in here. And it turns out I've already had kids crafting here. I've already had it used as a staging area for piling products that we're taking to different events, or we're shipping out to places that are going to be carrying our stuff online. I know this is a bit of a ramble and this is going to be a rambling video. It's just the nature of how I am feeling right now. But that's also a part of it, is being okay with not having it be polished perfect. It's not going to be that anyway. It's really a matter of what I decide to record and hopefully share with you, and maybe if it gives you a glimpse of inspiration inside to do something that you've been putting off, or do something that you're over preparing for, or you've been overthinking. There's a saying that I love, take what you like and leave the rest. The sentiment is basically, do what you will with this information. If you don't need to hear this, that's okay. It's more of a message that I just needed to get out. I needed to try this with this new camera, with new equipment. I feel excited. I feel reinvigorated to make more videos. See, there are piles everywhere, but I know where everything is. This is over there. And I wanted to show it to you because this Aura Estelle B6 Magnet Daily has been such an amazing companion. I'm definitely going to be using the same company, probably the same size, probably the exact same color of cover for 2027. And I know that's a far off thing to plan for, but you all are asking me already what I'm doing in here and how it's working. And no, I am not fully caught up, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try and catch up. And that way I'm showing you the process of trying to catch up and fill in the gaps. And no, all the gaps won't be filled. And that is okay. We all have permission to do what we can with what we have and do it with joy, without the pressure of feeling guilty for some reason, when this whole thing is meant to be fun. Life is actually meant to be fun. We are here to have fun. And I don't know if everybody's purpose is that. For me, I know I need to have fun. I need to feel fulfilled. I need to have creative freedom. I have these 3 F's that I've had for years: freedom, fulfillment, and fun. Of course, there's plenty of other F words that we can use. In fact, we made an F list. So many F words. There is a fullness to this life. And I am a dynamic human being, as are you. We have varied interests. We do all kinds of things throughout our days. And if I can spend a little bit more time sharing these mundane or magnificent moments with you, these are all part of our memory keeping. My process with what brings me joy is something that I really want to fully embrace and then share with you. That's my intention, is to share more on this platform, my favorite one. I think I mentioned that before. Let me know how you're feeling about all this. I just saw this quote that says, I will succeed because I am insane. I feel that very fully. Does that resonate with you too? I am so grateful that you all are along for this ride, along for this journey. The random videos and my non-posting schedule, I will really try and do this thing where I post regularly, consistently. I will also not worry about a timeline because I have more Japan videos to finally edit and post. Do you guys want to see haul videos? I have bags of stuff that I have not even opened from the Tokyo trip. It's a little embarrassing. Let me know if you want to see what I've been getting, and I am going to Seattle for Paper World, so let me know what you want to see there. A vlog. Do you want to see a haul as well? It takes me for freaking ever to edit videos. All of this to say, I hope you know that I'm just making things up as I go, and that's sort of how this channel and my life is. I designed it a certain way and my intentions are good. We'll just have to see what happens. And I hope you'll come along for this ride. Thanks for watching. Fun little chunky monkey. Isn't it so cute? Finally put stickers on it. You Tangerines are the best. Something just fell down my shirt. This fuzzy thing just fell down my shirt. I don't think you're clicked in. Ah, let's start over.